welcome back to another video. And today we're going to be doing a cooking video. Well, not quite a cooking video because we're not cooking. But let's change the topic. Look outside, it's beautiful. It's a snow day, so we have a 2-hour delay. And for school, it looks relaxing. You can lay on it, make snow angels. So look how pretty that is. Guys, you can look at the door. So we'll be using this for our background. So we wanted to put our curtain up so you guys can see it. So these are the ingredients that you're going to need to make the rice treats. We're making rice treats. So first of all, you'll need some butter spray, sprinkles, cookie cutters for using flowers, butter of course, sweet. You might want to use sweet butter, sweet cream butter, unsalted butter. I like salted. Some icing, red and green, and a bowl, and some pans, and of course our trusty handy napkins. So, and the most important ingredient, Rice Krispies. Guys, at the back you can see those are Rice Krispie treats because they made it. There are some recipes too. So, yeah. So, these are optional, just like the cookie cutters, the sprinkles, and the icing. And you could use you don't have to use them because you could just, like the cookie cutters, you could just eat them in pieces if you want. That's what we do. Or you can cut them with butter knives. So, let's begin. So, we're going to take the pan first. And spray some butter. Okay, so do you want to go first? Yeah, that one's here. So you want to do this first because once the marshmallow is heated, you have to do this process really fast. So, guys, I'm scared. I never done this. Put a little. Done. Oh my gosh, that's scary. Okay, so I'm going to shake it. Guys, you might do that knuckles so you can split it around to the side. Oh my goodness, yeah. There we go. So I'm going to tap it and wipe it. Make sure it's like evenly around because you don't want it to be too greasy. Because when you put a lot on your treats are going to taste like, butter. So I smell like butter. So the good thing about this butter is that it's like sweet and it doesn't really flavor. And this one, you have to put a little, like I said, it can like be salty and it'll taste on your treats and that wouldn't be so good if you know. So we're going to put this aside and we're going to do the marshmallow. So we're going to be using the original Rice Krispie and the cocoa Rice Krispie. Nathie will be doing chocolate, I'll be doing white. Because we're going to make this a little first. And it would be really yummy. So I'm going to do 6. Oh my gosh, 4, 5, 6. Do the same. Oh, sorry. I like doing the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Guys, this is all of Rice Krispies. So, as you saw, we had to take out the marshmallows with our hand because we washed them. And then we're going to do them because you don't want to get other people sick if you're going to give them this. So, yeah. And now we're going to take the butter. And this one has divisions, like right here. But we're going to do it in tablespoons. So, we have our trusty butter knife. And guys, only get a butter knife. That's safe. Oh, yeah. I'm not equally cut it. This is hard. This is one of the easiest ways, but we're going to do it the lazy way because this is faster for us children and safer. So you want to put in a slice of butter, as we said earlier. You might need a pencil dot because if you get this kind of butter and you want to cut it in with paper, it's going to be hard. Now for the easy part, we're going to take the marshmallows. We're going to try 30 seconds first. 30 seconds. Guys, you can see us still. So we are using the microwave because it's easier and faster safe for. Yeah, for children. So yeah. And let's see. It looks. You can see they're a bit bigger now, but you want them to get like more puffier and bigger. Plus, you want the butter to be completely melted. Melty. So we'll set it for another 30 seconds or 1 minute. Put 2. So, what? You could see it through the microwave. Guys, as you can see, this is really, really big. Here it is. It's not, the butter's not completely melted, but it's okay. Guys, so, look at that marshmallow. Okay, guys, so I'm going to be working on mine, and you guys are going to go spell out doing her treats, and I'll come back for a little bit. So, we're going to take a spatula and mix it all the way for Nathie. We're going to be working on our treats. So we're just going to add a lot. Okay, mix it out, and we're going to mix it. Okay guys, so the white treats are in our way, and we're going to mix. Guys, you want to mix the white treats and the marshmallow up together so it can turn into a rice. Guys, it's getting really sticky. Oh my gosh! It got stuck on me. Guys, I think that's enough mix. So once you're done mixing all of it in, then you want to grab your pan. Make sure you don't take it out with your hands. Scoop it inside the pan and then flatten it. Guys, this looks very heavy. Whoa. Guys, you might need to count to dirt. Maybe when Bella feels better, she could come and help us. Guys, now I'm going to flatten it down. You guys, as you see, it's not sticky because of the butter we put, but which is good. Guys. Hey guys, I'm back, and Nathie already did her rice treats, so I'm going to be doing the chocolate rice treats. So let's do it. Guys, since I could hold, she grabbed my marshmallows. So, wow. I love those chocolate chips. Today I ate those and my milk told chocolate. Okay, that's enough. You put 2 on. So, as you see, my mom helped my sister, Nathie, because she needed a little help, and you could see that you could ask your parents' help or your older sibling to help you with this. Yeah, so this is a bit hard to mix. Yeah, that's how it was when I did it. But guys, comment down below if you've done this before. So, as you can see, before you start the marshmallow, it was starting to hard a bit. Really? So, yeah, and as you know, they sell some melted marshmallows at the store, but it's not the same. It doesn't taste the same, so I try it this way, and it's better. So, okay. It's so sticky. It's so sticky. Okay, but as you can see, I'm done. And stop. Guys, you might need a help. Okay. Now you have to flatten it down. So this is the hard part. So I don't know if I should mix it in with the white one. Guys, you might need a punch of dirt to help me flatten it down because my mom helped me. This is really hard, guys. Look at that. Can I try? Hold up. Maybe. So, we're going to let it cool down right here. And we made some Rice Krispies last night. show you. We're gonna take them, to school for a lunch, and we're gonna, and when this is closed down after school, we are going to show you how we have fun with it. So we're not going to decorate this one. We're just going to leave it plain and take it to school with our lunch. So we'll see you later when we come back with the cold Rice Krispie treats. Hey guys, we're back, and the Rice Krispie treats are done. We came back from school. So these are the stuff. You don't have to decorate them, but yeah, you can leave them like this, and we're going to do it. So these are the stuff we will be needing. Frosting, blue coloring, little containers that have fallen, and the spoon to mix it in. This also fun. Sprinkles, cookie canvas, and butter. And a plate. Of course, the most important Rice Krispie treats. Oh, Rice Krispie treats! Can you feed me Rice Krispies? So, first of all, we're gonna take the cookie cutters. Let's open it. But guys, if you're gonna use cookie cutters, you're gonna need some butter and put them in the inside and outside. So we're gonna show you how to do that. So, Nathie, pick a cookie cutter. And I'm going to pick my cookie cutter. So I already picked mine. Tiny. You need a napkin and your spray. And you're going to spray some butter. So spray me. Oh my god. On. You want any help? No. Do you want to do it? So then, when you have your butter on your napkin, you have to take the, butter and put it aside. Okay. And then you're going to spread it around. Okay, we have the butter, and now after you're done, you could place it in. So we're gonna place in the cookie, wrong side. Okay. So we're gonna start on the edge right here. I'm gonna do the chocolate one. I'm gonna do the Rice Krispie. No, I'm not a chocolate one. Guys, this is pretty hard to put in. So I'm gonna smush it. If you're little, and you're trying this out, it hurts. Oh my gosh, guys. It does. Ow, ow. Ow, my toes. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah. This is good. This is what happens when you press too hard. Guys, it won't come out. Ow. Wait. Okay, I think mine's done. Oh my god, guys. Guys, look. Something's wrong. Oh my god, guys. I don't enough butter. I feel like when something exciting is happening, I get scared. So we're gonna plop it on. No, it's this way. Look. Look out. Get mine. Not very perfect, but it doesn't have to be. Yeah. With animals butter. We're gonna. So for us, after you're done cutting, you can frost them, but we're gonna finish cutting all of them. So I think we're going to can't cut it out. But this put some butter on the cookie cutter. Here. Okay. So Nathie got sick and she had to get out because she can't cough on the food or else it'll, contaminate it. And you could get people sick, so. Okay, I think that was too much on the edge. So. This is hard. I want to frost the icing. Okay, this is pretty hard again. Guys, this is a cool trick. So, I'm gonna put it in the middle and it'll go two-sided flavors. How cool is that? But it's kind of hard. be decorating, and the rest we'll be like leave them plain because they already have enough sugar on them. So let's get them started. So we have the frosting right here. We're going to have these little containers to mix in the colors. So oh, by the way, that's why I have to stop. And now we are here with our frostings and toppings. So these are all the colors. We tried to mix some of the colors, but they didn't, but they turned out great. Yeah. And some of the toppings, sprinkles, pearls, and chocolate chips. And especially the Krispies. So I think now we can get started. Okay, so this is mine. Okay, I'm gonna add some green frosting on this. I'm gonna take this one, the tiny one. I'm gonna take this one. Guys, look at it. Excuse me. Guys, look at it. Guys, look at my facade. I'm just gonna put it on the table. Yeah, I guess that's fine with me. So for mine, I'm gonna spread it around, and after I'm done, I'm going to add some casual toppings in there. What kind of casual? I don't know. What's all the casual? This looks like a star. I think I like it. Look at that. Then it looks goofy. Okay. Time to add the sprinkles. Guys, look at mine. I think mine turned out really great. So I'm gonna add some pink sugar. Pink sugar? That's a great idea. I love hearts. Oh, please. Put mine on the plate right now. I'm gonna add some pearls. Guys, look at mine. I'm gonna add a little bit more different sprinkles. 4 pearls, some white sprinkles. Yeah. And 1 big chocolate chip. I'm gonna add. So guys, here's my first one. I'm not the one. Guys, here's my first one. It doesn't look what we created. Because now I'm gonna take, since I did a white one. I'm gonna do a chocolate one. I'm gonna take a white one. Yeah. So guys, this was the end of the video. We hope you enjoyed. Click the like button and subscribe down below. And try this at home. It is very delicious. And we'll see you on our next video. Bye. Bye.